Welcome back to the DIY Del Sol restoration project brought to you by Resin Auto Co. My name is Erica and my 1995 Honda Del Sol has a super rusty door jamb that needs to be saved. The first thing I did was remove the door jamb entry guard to reveal this mess. The underside of the plastic can be easily cleaned, luckily, and surprisingly, it was pretty clean. I expected there to be way more rusty residue on it, or even chunks of paint or something like that, to be honest. You never know with this car. I used some isopropyl and cleaned the door jamb really well. Next, I masked off the entryway to the car in order to keep all the debris that we were about to make out of the car. Once that was done, Heather was my helper today. She got right to absolutely schmurdering the rust off the door jamb with a wire wheel. With all of it appearing to be gone, we sprayed some Ospho just in case. Let that sit for 10 minutes or so, and then rinsed it off with some clean water. Next, it was Bondo time. Since the rust had eaten a small area of the door jamb, I needed to build that back up. Once the Bondo cured, I sanded it down until it was smooth, and then I ended up having to use a little bit more, just so that I can build it up back where the rust ate it. What a jerk. All good. From there, I cleaned the area off with isopropyl, let it dry, and then, using a white primer, I primed right over the repaired area. It came out really nice. Before I paint the car, I'm going to paint the door jambs, but that will be in a later episode. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.